Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So today I got a few things done. Worked on this 3/4 pipe right here, stubbed it into the panel room here on the 3rd floor. If you remember the transfer switch, no, that's a disconnect. Got the disconnect right there and then the panel over here. So worked on getting this pipe stubbed in here. That's going to be for a telephone line, something with the low voltage for the elevators or something. So I worked on that, got that going across the ceiling here and all the way, and then kicked it over 90 straight down the floor. Luckily there was a couple extra holes right here, so I just knocked out the foam right there in the concrete, and then that goes down through the 2nd floor, which I'll go show you that real quick. And then the other few things that I worked on today. Really loud, sorry. Alright guys, so that pipe comes down through the floor right here. Had to offset 3-point bend, 3-point saddle over this little fire flex that I did as well. I did that first, and then I realized I had to put 3-point saddle over it because it was in the way. Couldn't go behind it or on top of it, so that's that. And then I had to stick all of these, I had to stick this coil of wire all through that flex, so that took me like an hour because it was a nightmare. And then got the rest of that 3-point saddle going down to the floor into the electrical room with the LB on it. And then that's where I ended today. So have to pipe that another day across the ceiling to the phone board, which is only about 10 or 15 feet. And then I'll show you the last thing I worked on today. Alright guys, so here's the last thing I worked on. If you guys remember this pipe right here, it was actually an LB and then sticking through the wall. So I had to disassemble that because it was kind of hard because I couldn't remember how I got it in there. So I disassembled that, stuck the box on there, drilled a custom hole right there through the back, stick that pipe right back through the wall again where it came from. And then I went ahead and bent all these other pipes. And I didn't strap it down yet because I'll have to throw like an LB or something here in the corner. We got that pipe coming down and that pipe on top. So basically I have to probably cut off a little bit just to fit it just right. But so this one is just screwed on with that one screw into the coupling right there. So that one can get taken out and cut as well if it needs to be. But I'm gonna have to take it off anyways to get the LB in there. And then I got one strap going down there through the floor. I'll show you that real quick, but that's gonna wrap it up. So I worked on just some tedious things today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. And here is the pipe coming down the floor right there, and that's gonna be flexing over to this fire sprinkler box, or junction box, or whatever that's for. So that will be going to that, and that's that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to drop your like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Getting close to 3,000, and I'll be doing another giveaway. And please continue to vote for Joanne. She's in first right now, so let's keep that going, guys. I really appreciate it. I'm so proud of you guys and thankful that you guys are helping me out and voting for her, so God bless. And anyways, that should do it, guys. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. My capture card should be coming tonight according to my email, so be on the lookout for some high quality streams of gaming, and if not, live streams with a brand new microphone and webcam. So alright guys, thanks so much. God bless. Peace out. Alright guys, I got the package. I'm going to open it up right now, not on video, but I'm going to open it up after the video, upload it, and then I'm going to open this bad boy up and then try to hook it up and start streaming you guys. And then I will be doing stuff later, but I should be on for a little bit, so look forward to a live stream real quick. Turn on the notifications, fam. And yeah, I'm getting my daily votes in for Joanne. Don't forget to click the link below. Thanks guys so much. I appreciate it so much. Let's go. All right, ignore my messy bed, but here is the capture device. It's really small. I think this was like $60, $55, $60. It's really nice. It's got metal, kind of tin casing or aluminum casing. And then that comes with the USB. And here's the microphone over here if I choose to use this for like a video stream without video games or whatever, just a hangout session. So I got this microphone right here, and I think that was $30 or $40. So total, these were both like $105. So anyways, excited to get these going, guys. So give me like an hour or two and I should have this set up and live streaming.